Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new to my channel. Apologies for my appearance right now. What? I literally just rolled out of bed, so like I'm still in my pajamas, so we're just not gonna talk about it. I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to film my everyday makeup routine. So, we're done. I wish I was joking, but I'm not. I literally like never wear makeup, so. But sometimes I do put on makeup, like if I want to look presentable, you know, so I don't know. But today I have a piano student, so I am going to put makeup on just a little bit. So it will be super simple and you can definitely follow along. This is just pretty much like enhancing what I already look like, so just like covering dark circles and putting mascara on. I don't know, super duper simple, and it will probably take like 5 minutes, so let's get into it. So the first thing I do is sometimes I moisturize, but normally I do that like right when I wash my face, so I'm not going to show that. The first thing I do is conceal, so I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal, and it's in the shade Fair. So I just put that concealer underneath my eyes, and then on my eyelids, and then any problem areas I have. So I have quite a bit of redness around my cheeks and my chin. And I don't know, I don't really have a rhyme or reason to where I put it. I just kind of put it where I think needs some camouflaging. So then I just take my buffing, blending foundation brush, I don't know, and I blend it everywhere. I do it very lightly over problem areas so that it doesn't smear like off of the problem area. I know I could probably just like use foundation for this for how much it like goes all over my face, but I feel like it's just way more lighter on my face than foundation. Then once all that concealer is pretty much blended out, I normally take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. You can get it at Target and it's super great. I think it might have flashback though, so it's not great for photography. Mainly I just do my eyes because I don't want those to crease, and then sometimes I'll put it on my chin, but normally I don't do the rest of my face. Then the next step I do is blush, and then I use my BH blush palette, and I use this bright red one. I know it looks like crazy for my skin tone, but I just use tiny bit. And I start out here now. I just learned this, that it makes it look so much better for my face. And that looks really pink, so I'm just gonna blend that out. I swear when I do like makeup tutorials, it seems like I have no idea what I'm talking about. And you know what? I probably don't have any idea what I'm talking about. I just like to add a little bit of pink back to my cheeks because otherwise I look dead because I'm so pale.
My voice is like so annoying right now because I just woke up and it sounds nasally and like crackly, so I'm so sorry.
When I do my everyday brows, I normally just use like a brown eyeshadow that matches my hair. So I'm just using my little tiny angled brush and then brown eyeshadow and brushing in the sparse areas of my brow. I don't want to fill them in too much because I'm just doing really simple makeup. Next I'm taking this eye blending brush, and then it doesn't really matter what palette I use because it's not like you guys are going to follow this completely anyway. But I normally just take a warm tone brown. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette and this is a light tan. And I just put that in my crease to give it some more definition. And honestly, you can't even tell that I have anything on when I blend it out. It just makes my eye look a little bit more defined. If I'm feeling fancy, I add a little bit of shimmer. So I'm taking this light shimmer from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just putting that directly on my eyelid. And I feel like this really opens up my eyes so that it looks like I'm awake actually, even if I am super duper tired. So the last step is my eyelashes. So I always curl them, even if I don't wear makeup, I curl them because it just makes my eyes look more open. And then depending on my mood, if I want to actually look like I'm wearing makeup, then I wear my black mascara. If I want to look like I'm not wearing very much makeup, but just a little bit more awake, and to hold the curl, I use my clear mascara. These are both from CoverGirl, and I'm gonna go with the black one today. This is a super natural mascara, so it just adds a little coat of black. It doesn't really lengthen or thicken them. And I love this one because it's so thin and natural. I like to just have a tiny bit of product on the brush when I'm doing it, because then it doesn't get any clumps. So this was my very, very simple everyday makeup routine, and I figured it was time to do a video that anyone could follow along to. It was time for a real video on a natural makeup look that's actually natural and not caking your face in tons of products saying it's natural, because that's not natural and it won't look natural in person. So I hope this video was easy for you to follow along with, and yeah, I mean, it's probably not that interesting because it's just what I do every day. But if you like videos like this that are simple makeup tutorials, or if you want me to do more videos on like how to enhance your natural features, then give this video a thumbs up and comment what you'd like me to make next. If you like videos like this, I promise I look better than this most of the time. Make sure to subscribe down below, and make sure to keep an eye out for my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.